Hello, everyone. I'm Nikolay. I'm one of the co-founders of ALPIC, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to build and distribute a product in this new agentic era. So, if you're here today, I don't think I need to convince you of this. The future of SaaS and, well, web in general, I think, is headless. Why? Because agents don't really care about your dashboard having a nice UI or sleek user interface. All they really want to do is to be able to ingest data and analyze it as fast as possible. And so, as product builders, how do we adapt to that? Well, I can tell you what you should not do. First, you should not do nothing, hoping that agents will just be able to browse your website just as easily as humans. Browser agents are great, but their orders of managed slower and less efficient than a good agentic interface. And second, you should definitely not just try to build an agent and put it in your website saying that you are now AI first. I think it's the worst user experience since the JavaScript pop-up ads were invented 15 years ago. And so this might be a little bit controversial here, but I think if you want to build a product that is used by agents, well, you should not try to build an agent yourself, yet another agent. You should instead build the agentic interface that will be used by agents like the ones from Anthropic. When I say agentic interfaces, basically, I mean any primitive that allows to give tools to agents and help them perform real actions. So it can be MCP, APIs, CLIs, skills. They're all great. And don't get me started on the MCP versus CLI debate here. But they all have kind of one problem, which is that they only return text to the agent. And sometimes you need just a richer user interface, especially if the end user behind the agent is non-technical. And so how do you do that? You could say, okay, we can let the agent generate the UI on the fly. The problem is that just like browser agents, today it's very slow. It burns tokens like gasoline, and it's completely unpredictable. You never know what you're going to get when you let the agent generate your UI. And so if you want a fast and synchronous experience, basically there is just one solution, which is MCP apps, which is an extension of MCP that allows you to do exactly that. Basically, with this, an MCP server will not only return a tool call result, but it will also return um, React component that will be rendered inside your favorite AI agent. And this is great because it allows businesses to keep control over their UX and branding while proposing rich interfaces like product catalogs, graphs, confirmation models, etc., etc., etc. And so once you have built your agentic interface, that's great, but that's only 10% of the work. What you really need to do now is to put your agentic interface inside the hands of the agents. And here again, I think MCP and MCP apps in particular really shine because unlike CLIs, skills, and plugins that need a manual install from the user, MCP apps now have a first-party app store inside many MCP clients like ChatGPT, Claude, Cursor, Microsoft Copilot, and well, many more. But the really cool thing, I think, that is happening now is organic discovery. Uh, Organic discovery means that if your app is part of the App Store and corresponds to the intent of the user, it can be called automatically inside the conversation. So here you see basically a person who asked Claude a cab for the airport, and you can see that Claude is automatically calling the Uber MCP app without the user ever mentioning Uber in the conversation. So this is basically a game changer for distribution and discoverability of products inside agents. And here's some data from one of our customers who was one of the first to get into the Cloud connectors directory in November. And since the organic discovery feature was released, they basically 10x their traffic with more than 500,000 of tool calls per month. And even better, they actually reached this month $1 million of sales just through MCP. So it's a real channel for the sales of a product. And so if I had just one advice for you today, it will be build your MCP app now and submit it to ChatGPT, Cloud Cursor, and all of those directories, because for now it's still free and easy to do, and it might change in the future. And well, you're very lucky because at ALPIC, we actually built a framework, an open source framework called Skybridge that helps you build MCP apps. And I think my time is running out, but if you want to know more, or if you want to win these very nice ski goggles I have on my head, please give us a star on our repo here, and also come to see us at our booth outside. We'll be happy to explain you more. Thank you very much.